Hello, and in this short tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to buy CRDD, those are the CryptoSI DAO tokens, on the open market using Uniswap on the Arbitrum network. So the first thing you want to do is make your way over to Uniswap. Once you're there, make sure that you're at the right place at .uniswap.org and click on connect to connect your wallet. I'm using MetaMask, but you can use various different wallet providers. You then confirm and connect your wallet. You want to make sure that you are on the Arbitrum network. You could do so by just opening your wallet and checking that you're on Arbitrum, so you're on Arbitrum 1. The next thing you want to do is choose the token that you want to buy with. I'm going to be using Arbitrum ETH, and then select the token that you want to buy. Now, because CRDD is not yet one of the popular tokens or recognized tokens, you're going to have to input the contract address. Now, I'll put the contract address in the description below, or if you want to collect it the correct way, go to the Arrogant app, navigate your way to the CryptoSI DAO. Then you could look at the dashboard, I guess. Well, there's not really an easy way to do this. So these are the DAO tokens. Well, if we look at this transaction on the Block Explorer, well, here's one I made earlier, and here is the CRDD token. You'll know it's the right token. It's got 100 billion supply. We can copy this address from here. This is the contract address, the one that ends 2A8B for Bravo. Once you've got that address, you go back here and you select a token, and you then enter that address in here. I always copy and paste, that way there's no mistakes to be made. And there's the CryptoSI DAO token. It will have this warning simply because it's not traded on any large US centralized exchanges. I don't believe it ever will be. Once you're there, we can press let's do 0.01 ETH, which is about $25. Let's review it. There is a fee, 658 CRDD. The network cost is 2 cents. Confirming wallet. First thing you have to do is confirm that you want to use CRDDs, and the swap is completed. It is that simple. Now, to show the CRDD in your wallet, you can go to MetaMask, click on tokens, go down and click on import tokens, then click on custom token. You then go to the token address, and once again you paste in that same contract address. You want to see CRDD and token decimals 18, and you then simply click on next. And this is the token that you want to import, correct? Because we now have 262,000 of these tokens. And there you have it. You now own the tokens. The next step will be in another tutorial where I'll show you how to stake the tokens ready for voting in the DAO. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.